welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making capirotada or Mexican bread pudding. This is the way I learned how to make it from my mother-in-law, and she's from Guadalajara, Jalisco. And I sliced 4 bolillos into kind of small slices, and I flattened them in a pan and I put them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 300 degrees. Then I put 2 cups of water, 1 piloncillo, 2 cloves, and 2 cinnamon sticks to boil. Make sure the piloncillo cone melts all the way, and then bring out the cinnamon sticks and the cloves. Then I added half a can of evaporated milk and half a can of condensed milk, and I'm only using halves because I'm making a small amount for us here at home. But if you're gonna make a large amount, you can use the entire can of each, or you can use more cans. So turn off the heat and set this aside. So I brought the bolillos out, and yeah, it over toasted a little bit, but keep an eye on it. But after we pour everything, layer everything on them, you're not gonna taste any burn on them. So you put half of them, and then this is 1 stick of butter melted. Make sure it goes on all over the toasted bolillo. And then half of the milk mixture. Again, make sure it goes all over the toasted bolillo. And then we start layering. These are raisins. These are peanuts. And I'm being very generous with the peanuts because we like them a lot here at home. And this is queso fresco. I'm gonna put half of the queso fresco, crumbled queso fresco on it. Then the rest of the toasted bolillo goes on it. And this is a 2nd stick of butter melted. Make sure to put all over the toasted bolillo. Then the 2nd half of the milk mixture, more raisins, more peanuts, the rest of the crumbled queso fresco, and then I beat 2 eggs, and that goes directly on top. And then this goes in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees. And then it's done. Serve it warm, it's moist, it's delicious and sweet. So if you like this recipe, I encourage you to try it. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.